Hello everyone, thank you for joining. I am here with my friend Emily Faith and her lovely dog Leo down here. We are in Emily's shop.
Good Faith Designs.
Good Faith Designs, located in Erlanger.
In a one-car garage. This is why we are crammed back here. Anyway.
She makes these absolutely gorgeous cutting boards, and last year I gave quite a few of them out, and I think they're awesome. Craftsmanship is amazing. So she hand makes all of these cutting boards. This is her, she calls it her brick and mortar design.
This one's a little chaotic.
This is my favorite. This kind's my favorite. So she is going to go through how to make one of these cutting boards, and we're going to go step by step. And Emily, how long have you been doing this?
Like 3 years.
Okay.
Yeah.
And you do other type of woodwork too?
Yes, I do some decorative reclaimed wall art, but I also do build furniture and, well, I haven't said no yet to anything, so I guess I just make whatever you ask me to.
Let's go to the first step.
Let's do it. Okay, so the first step we're gonna do is, well, actually, I went ahead and pre-cut a bunch of strips. So we've got a variety of wood here. We've got what's called lace wood. We've got some sapelli. We've got yellow heart. We have
did you know there's real yellow wood and purple wood?
And purple wood. I know, crazy. Nature's amazing.
Yes, it is.
It looks very random, and it kind of is right now, which I will show you on the next step of what we will actually do with something that looks like this in the first glue up. And we will go ahead and just lay this on the clamps first. So this is how we're gonna glue up. This is gonna be end grain cutting board. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and just lay our wood down like this. We just are going to put glue everywhere. Okay, so all that's gonna be done is you're just going to roll the glue. See? And then we sandwich it together. All right, so I'm not really concerned about like this all being straight or anything because I'm gonna cut off the ends right now. So I'm going to make sure everything's staying tight. We're gonna start compressing everything. So I wanna see I wanna see the glue coming up between each seam so I know everything is glued where it needs to be. So I can either start wiping this glue off right now, or I can just let it sit and scrape it. I'm just gonna let it sit and dry right now, and then scrape it, and I'll show you that on the next piece, what I do there. But I'm gonna let this dry for over a day. Just glue up ready for today. So the first thing I'll do is just scrape the glue off. I don't want the glue to gunk up the planer. Now it's dry, but you kind of want to get rid of any defect you can before there. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna use the planer. This is going to give us the thickness that we want. We'll do a couple of little passes and you'll start seeing everything kind of like leveling out. We did the planer, so now we've got everything the same thickness. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut off on my crosscut slip just the excess wood. So we went ahead and cut off our extra, and we're going to have like an alternating pattern with this board. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut the same size strips, and then I'll show you how we rotate them. So we've got our little pieces cut now. I'm gonna bring them over to this table. We're just going to be flipping them. Keep that one the same. Flip that one. But at this point I need to glue this one up. So what we're gonna do is I'm going to route the edges. It just gives it a little bit more of a cool look, in my opinion. right there, they just gave us a little chamfer around the edges. Gives it a little bit more dimension and something cool to look at. We are gonna go ahead and raise the grain right now. So when you raise the grain on a cutting board, for like this particular one's a gradient cutting board, so I went ahead and just kind of like obviously built the color. You can see what happens when you add the water. It's basically giving you also what it's going to look like. So Kate, if you can feel how rough that is.
Ooh, that is rough.
Yes. So after we raise the grain, obviously that would dry, and then we'll go ahead and smooth that. And you go through steps. I sand my first to 80. I'll raise the grain again, then I'll go to 120, and then 220, and then I'll raise the grain again, and then I'll finish it off with 300 grit, so it's super smooth. Obviously, I'm not going to wait for this thing to dry, so we're just going to go ahead and cut two. This one right here has been sanded to 220. I have raised the grain on it. So Katie's gonna test. It's not totally smooth yet.
Nope.
And basically, just turn it on. I would go ahead and flip it. I would do the other side, and then on the edges, I'll just take a piece that I have laying around, and I'll go ahead and hand sand it just so it's not messing up my my chomper. And the last thing that we'll do is actually, Katie, do you want to do this part? This is the fun part.
Yeah.
This is when you see everything pop, pop. Just any like Home Depot, Lowe's will have mineral oil, which you're gonna put on there. I do 2 coats. I let it dry, and then I actually put a wax on it, a beeswax, which you can all get at Home Depot.
Enjoyed this video, and please be sure to like, comment, and share. And the link below for Emily's shop will be there if you want to find Emily.
You can find me on Etsy at Good Faith Designs. Also, if you would like to follow me on Instagram, it's good_faith_designs. Yeah, you can. That'll give you any information you need to contact me if anyone's interested in a custom piece or something I already have. Or I also do the wood wall art down there. So
thanks for watching.